First of all, install the Weebly app from the Google Play Store or the App Store on your phone. Once the app opens, you will be asked to get started by creating a new account or logging in if you already have one. To create an account, fill in the required details on this page and proceed to the next step. Weebly will then ask what kind of website you would like to create. Select an option based on your requirements. Next, select a theme from the available categories. Explore the theme list and choose one that you like. A preview of your selected theme will appear. Scroll through it to explore the layout and design. If you like the theme, tap on Start Editing. On the next screen, you will need to select your website domain. Simply find a domain name that fits your business and choose one from the suggestions. Pay for the domain to own it, and once you are done, the app will redirect you to the home page. Here, you will see some quick actions such as editing your website or adding an item. Let's start with website editing. Now we are inside the Weebly app editor. At the bottom, you will see several options. To add elements to your website, tap the plus icon, which will allow you to add a new section. Select any element from the panel and customize it as needed. Next, tap the page icon and it will display your website's page list. You can rearrange the order of pages or to create a new one, tap the plus icon. Enter a name for your page. I am creating a demo page, but you can name it based on your requirements and then tap Done. Your newly created page will now open and you can add content related to your niche. Now tap the third icon, which offers options for updating your theme and fonts. To make changes, tap on Theme and categories will appear. Next, you need to select a category and then tap View Theme. A list of themes related to that category will display. Choose one, and your theme will update within a few seconds. As you can see, the theme has now changed. Next, from the bottom right, tap Preview. Your website will open in a separate tab where you can see how visitors will view your website on both mobile and desktop screens. After completing your changes, tap Done to save them. If you open the Add an Item page, you will see a section where you can add products if you are running a store. You can add product images, names, descriptions, prices, and other relevant details. Next, in the Insights tab, you will see your website statistics. I am currently using a free plan, but you can upgrade to a plan based on your needs. In the Store tab, you can add items as discussed earlier and upgrade your plan for more advanced features. In the Website tab, you will see your entire website list and select the one you want to edit. Lastly, in the Account page, you will find account settings, notification settings, and support options from Weebly. You can restore your purchase plans or log out of your account whenever needed. If you want to delete your website, simply tap on it and follow the instructions to complete the process. This is how you can use the Weebly mobile app on your phone.